Hi everyone, so today in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how do you push your gig or rank your gig on the first page on Fiverr. Alright, so let's get into the video. So normally your gig will be pushed to first pages if there is more visits and clicks and more impressions on your gig. So in order to increase these impressions or visits and clicks, what you have to do is first thing is a good first a strategy would be to use less competition keywords. If you use less competition keywords, then it will help your gig to be discovered by more people. So which when more people visits and clicks on your gig, then that will give a push to your gig. So and the chance of being appeared on the first page of results will be higher. So when I mean by low competition keywords, it's that look for low competition keywords or the tags that's relevant to your gig. For example, my gig is data entry. So just for demo purpose, I'm using data entry. So for data entry, when I search for data entry here, I can see there's 72,060 services available, which is pretty high. So the chance of my gig being discovered on this among these 72,000 is very high. All right, so I'll look for some better keywords that I can use while creating my gig or to include in my gig. So for example, here even Google, even Fiverr will suggest you some related keywords. When you search for something, it will give you some related niches which you can check it out. So we just have to do a bit of research. For example, I can, or let me try this one, uh, fastest data entry. Let me see how is that. So that's got 10,000 services, so which is quite less than the previous one. So I can try use this fastest data entry research, or I can, what about I will try this one, data entry in 24 hours. So if I search for data entry in 24 hours, I can see these 8,800 only. So with these ones are pretty less. So which means these keywords here, data entry in 24 hours, fastest data entry, they are low competition keywords compared to these ones. So what I'm going to do is I'll try to include all these keywords here with less competition when I'm on my gig, like when I'm creating my gigs, either on the description or whether on the tags. I will somehow include all these so that it will help my gig to be discovered by more people, and the chance of people visiting will be higher. So this will further help me to push my gig on the first page. And in addition to that, you can also uh, have a good thumbnail, like how YouTube thumbnails are important for a video views. um, your gig thumbnail is also important, so that it will, like, your thumbnail should tempt someone or should make a buyer to click on it. So try to create a unique and attractive or more appealing thumbnail to your gig, so that you can increase the number of clicks and impressions, so which will help to push your gig on the first page. So try all these tactics and see if that helps uh, to push your gig. And I'm pretty sure it will make a significant change to your gig and your results. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and I will see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.